Hello everybody, and this is how you use my cloud login engine. So first let's go to my profile. Okay, it's gonna load. It's all loading in. And you want to click on the featured project, which is Cloud Login Concept Official. Now you can use this for any game at all that you ever want to make. So let's try it. So we click it. This thing is gonna change. The link's gonna change. And it's all gonna disappear. And as you see, now it's bringing you to the website. If it takes too long, then I'm going to stop the video and then play it. And then I'll just stop the recording if it takes too long and then start recording it after. Okay. Yeah, I'm just going to stop the recording. See you guys soon. Okay, I'm back. So, remix it. See, it's going to remix. That's the first step. Second step is going in here, viewing sprite, and you can delete the animation of showing the UN, but you can keep it if you want. And you can then, and then instead of doing, actually no, you need to delete the UR encode. See? And then when you do URN, you can broadcast start options, and then you can have all the options like change passcode and stuff here, showing and hiding. And once you've customized the options, you go into the cloud, click reset. See the green flag should flash, and then you can share it. But I'm just going to save it. Now the thing doing reset is making sure that nobody is in the cloud. And that's how you use my Cloud Login Concept Official. Thank you guys. Bye bye.